2026 may be a rough year for AI in healthcare. Forbes is predicting it, and as a resident, I can kind of see it. Don't get me wrong, there's a lot of innovation in the health AI space, but I don't think bad products are the problem. The issue is choosing them and liability after having chosen them. Currently, there's not much regulation when it comes to health AI. So hospitals are forced to act as tech auditors. They have to figure out which AI products are safe, and this is not necessarily a burden that they're prepared for. I don't think the skill of choosing is advancing as quickly as the technology is. Essentially, the technology is moving at 100 miles per hour, and the education around the technology is moving at 5. So, my prediction is that innovation is going to happen from the outside in. It's going to occur at the edges and then work its way inwards. Now, I don't think this is necessarily the most efficient way for this type of change to happen. And this is why I'm especially passionate about improving AI literacy and education for physicians and healthcare workers. We can't wait for the systems to fix themselves. We have to understand the tools, understand the products, understand AI, so we can make decisions that will benefit our patients.